guys, hopefully you can hear us. It's pretty loud in here. This is our Leaky Cauldron
lunch day
review. Yay! It's already here. That was quick. Thank you. Thank you very much. We just sat down. We already got our food. Ashley got specialty chicken sandwich, and I got the fisherman's pie. This is our, actually, is this our first time?
Yeah, first time.
It's our first time eating in a Leaky Cauldron.
We're gonna try it out.
Try it out and show you what we got. That was super quick, wasn't it? I mean, by the time we sat down, our food came out. That was crazy. Don't waste a day.
Oh, thank you, Rachel.
Rachel with This Life of Ours made Ashley that shirt. How awesome is that? So that's the fisherman's pie with a salad and a butterbeer.
I just got the regular, just the basic chicken sandwich with fries, but the fries are delicious.
You got a specialty chicken salad.
Specialty chicken
Not
sandwich?
Not just a regular, it's a specialty. Excuse me? I'm thinking it's going to be kind of like a shepherd's pie with fish in it.
It's a very loud lunch date.
You know what it reminds me of?
What?
The food and wine.
Oh, you like that?
Yeah. So far it's good.
Thanks for coming on our date with us, guys.
Look at all this bacon that came on her specialty burger. You haven't tried the burger yet, have you?
It's not a burger.
I mean, sorry, specialty chicken. I see a bun, I'm thinking burger. But see in mine, the one at Food and Wine had more of a red sauce in it. This is a white sauce. It's still pretty good. See the shrimp? Look at that, she even cut it in half so she could bite it better.
It's a little slimy.
Does that have a lot of tomatoes on it? Good, just a chicken sandwich.
It's like chicken.
Chicken. Chicken, chicken, chicken.
Anybody seen this wizard? They're looking for him. There's actually not a lot of seating in here. Just here, over there, and over there. It's like a big dining hall. Theming in here, all the pictures hung up crooked like they've been here for centuries. Should we leave quietly or loud?
I don't think they could tell if we were being quiet or loud. It's pretty loud in here.
Or don't leave it all.
Yeah, don't leave it all.
You know what we need after a lunch day?
What?
To complete it?
What?
A dessert.
What kind of dessert you want?
Ice cream.
You want ice cream? I didn't like the desserts they had in there because I don't know what potted cream is.
I'm not sure either. Maybe we should have tried it.
They had butterbeer potted cream. That's a lot of cones.
This is all like stuff you can get extra on it, maybe? Like on toppings?
Yeah. Waffle cone pieces, hundreds and thousands, chocolate chips, shortbread crystals. Yep.
Here you go, guys. Enjoy.
Thank you. So that's salted blondie caramel and strawberry peanut butter. What a combination. Eating ice cream in Nocturne Alley. Is that spooky?
This is so sweet.
So I'm only going to be able to have like one bite.
Like, I feel like I need to go to the dentist.
I might not even get a bite then.
And it's melting super fast.
Super fast.
Here.
The strawberry peanut butter is very weird. Because it's strawberry, then you don't expect peanut butter to be in it. I don't know.
Try this one.
That's good.
You don't
Salt and
think
caramel
it's-
blanc.
you don't
Yeah,
think
it's really sweet. Yeah, it's super sweet. Is it topping off your lunch well?
Not really.
Well, we're gonna check out, see if we can see any construction from what used to be the Dragon Challenge, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna take the train over, the Hogwarts over to Hogsmeade, go check it out. You can see the new show building over there, or ride building. You can see part of the coaster track, yeah. Whew, it is hot.
So the Leaky Cauldron. It's basic theme park food. It was okay.
I like the boar's head when we ate the fish and chips there better.
Yeah, so I'm not sure if I would have to go back. I don't think so.
No.
But the theming was great.
Theming was great. Everything, but the food was excellent. And you know me, I like seafood and I like mashed potatoes, but that was just an average fisherman's pie.
And it's like almost like a family style restaurant. So you're going to be sitting really close to the people next to you.
Very close.
Very close.
Then we came over here to check out the see if there's
what
any
about the ice
construction. Oh, the ice cream at
That was really too sweet for me.
too sweet for me. You know it's too sweet for me.
I mean, it
can't
was
really
good,
eat
but it
ice
was
cream
very,
anymore.
very, very sweet with different like flavors. So I mean, you should try it because it has some crazy flavors.
Yeah,
Something
and
to try.
it's basically vanilla or chocolate, and they put the ribbon of flavor in, which is kind of neat, unless you get the hand hard-packed ice cream, and that's strawberry with peanut butter was different.
Yeah.
But overall, food was okay. It's Universal, so the experience is good. Theming is good.
The construction, it looks like they're moving along. You can hear them working.
You can see a little bit. You can see some of the track. So none of the track is high.
No.
So
Well, at least not yet.
Not yet. So right now it's not a very high coaster. But from the rumors, it's supposed to be Hagrid related. So hopefully we'll see.
That's gonna be fun.
All right, but it's getting hot. We're gonna get out of here.
Well, thank you for watching.
Don't waste a day. Every day's a gift.
Every day's a gift.
Every day's. Don't waste a day.
Don't waste a day.
Hope to see you out there.
Bye.
We are getting done. Bags packed to we're on the run today.